To Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Buhay, kaibigan. May kalaban dito eh.
First blood!
Gago, naka-petrify din pala yun.
Means restriction.
2 HP na yun, pre. Kabila.
Daniel left us the umbrella. What should I leave behind?
Uy, patay si Broro.
A thought to miss you, another to hate. Unstable network.
Pinilit, pre.
An enemy has been slain.
May nag-chat.
Know about Onmyodo. An enemy has been slain. You have been slain. Enemy double kill. An enemy has been slain. I hope he talks his
Ulit ka ba, Las Subas? Igagin mo ko.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Thank you so much. Best na best, pre.
Living in my umbrella.
Thank you so much.
If it works, it's on me. If it doesn't, it's on you.
Ay, kukunlag ka.
I believe in the goodness of people, but I'll get to you if you upset me.
Wak kulabot sa imo.
Request backup. The umbrella is gay.
Gago, nalalaman na pag may tao sa paligid, ang puta. Tara, pre.
Umbrella, show us what you've got.
Cook mo, pre. Ito na lang, Silvana na lang.
But I'll get to you if you upset me. An enemy has been slain. Gather up the turtle. A thought to miss you, another to hate. Mega
Putang ina mo. Saka pa.
on you.
Gago ka.
Do you want to be my Shikigami?
It's over, bitch. Oh. Uy! Asa ka balbon. Sober.
It seems that very few people know about Onmyodo. Umbrella, show us what you've got.
Uy! Grabe, may saber pala doon. Science.
Curse.
Tanga yan, tanga yan. Tanga yan, patay yan. Gago.
Team destroyed the turret. Mega kill.
Ayan.
There are hundreds of monsters living in
Si Kuya Fernan.
Ult is ready. Torta. Tata. Please give your blessings to Hayabusa.
Boom.
Slain.
Ano, wala mapaman. At nga ba lang,
I hope he talks his heart out. Your team destroyed a turret. An ally has
Uy! Asa. Asa ka par. Asa.
Gigil lang yun, right? Nagigil lang yan. So, kapaitan sa mga pagigil lang yun.
Kaya nga eh. Ulti na saber pre ah.
Pala.
Another to hate. Double kill. The umbrella team destroyed the turret. The human is Yin. An ally has been slain.
Tanang ulti yan pre. May gogo ito pa nadali flip ah.
Triple kill.
Triple kill. May nyak yan pre.
Yo, Tyson.
Agag. Gago may nyak mo. Naminyakan pa. Manya ka pala pul eh.
The umbrella.
Okay.
Seme left us the umbrella. What should I leave behind? If it works, it's on me. If it doesn't, an enemy has been slain.
Gago naglao. Oh, Tarbigen. Oy. Andiyan saber eh.
I hope he talks his heart out. An ally has slain Lord.
Sayang na na.
An enemy has
Fuck you.
Nag-dash. Dodge na yan.
May ulti pa saber ah. Ang tagal yung stun.
Eh, gagi! Uy, patay ako!
Ago. Hindi ko tumama. Hindi ko umangat
Push yun!
Has been slain.
Agon, tatapo ka puta! Tatapo ka puta!
Saber ka.
Saber take.
Gag.
Patay si Fernan.
Curse simply means restriction. Has been destroyed.
Ulti na Saber ah. Tong ano, ulti Saber ah. Walang ulti Saber ah, pati ano.
Tagal yung stun mo.
Patay.
Do you want to be my Shikigami?
Practice na nga lang yung tao.
Pwede yan nan. Galit pa rin sa Fernan eh. Hindi tumatama.
Request initiate retreat.
Pero tumakbo.
Gago! Ang dami pala dun.
Thought to miss you, another to hate. Ult is not
Ayaw mo kung Fernan ah. Nagalito ko ni Fernan.
It's on me. Launch attack. It's on you.
Ulti na Saber ah.
Mega kill.
Alam mo.
Double kill.
Ah, David ay.
Tosan. God, please give your blessings to Hayabusa and me.
Gago. Pundit yung pwet.
It seems that very few people know about Onmyodo.
Saber nga. Patuwa natin.
Saber unahin ko pre.
Your team
What?
destroyed
Papa.
the turret. Umbrella, show us what you've got.
Oops, teka. Bingin na mag... Dito nan, dikit ka sa akin. Ay, dumikit ni Fernan.
An enemy has been slain.
Wala nang flicker back ka.
Slain ally has been slain.
Ito, parang yung yata. Mag-flicker yata. Gago talaga.
Asa Saber? Di ko makita Saber.
Patago lang.
Saber ayun no, nasa top.
monsters living in my umbrella.
Yan sa merit.
Curse simply means restriction. Request backup. You want to be my partner?
Patay saber ah.
Killing spree. You have been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Tara.
Launch attack. Request backup. Gather up the Lord. Gather up the Lord. Victory.
Gago, 3:36 na.
Dito po sa inyo, yung na kami lalo.